Well, good day and welcome to Dave's Garage. Today's as good as Christmas. We have a boatload of new parts just arrived from Parts Avatar. My son-in-law's new F-250 4x4 1991 is getting a fresh uplift underneath. Brakes, steering components, the works. These parts, I am located on Vancouver Island, and unfortunately shipping to me takes quite a time. But more than happy with what I've received, and certainly more than happy with the competitive prices. I've been purchasing for many years now from Rock Auto, American dollars. Shipping here to Vancouver Island has been tough, both in price and in length of time. Parts Avatar, it looks like this shipment came from Vancouver. Canadian, I'm very happy with the price. And from the look of things, I'm going to be very happy with the parts. Due to the fact I was purchasing front end parts, they're quite heavy. And the packaging appears to have taken a fair bit of beating. Fortunately, the parts I'm installing are designed to take a fair bit of beating. But that would be my only critical point I could make, is just simply that during shipping, a lot of the packaging got beat up pretty good. But I'm looking forward to getting these parts on this truck, and I believe I'll be ordering some more stuff from Parts Avatar. You guys have a great day.